Announcement this morning, the executive order. I had an opportunity to meet with Fair Boards in Maryland yesterday and walk them through what the process is going to be. I am confident in Fair Boards' ability to lead the agency. We have an alignment in terms of our values and vision. The changes in the Child Welfare Division are going to take a lot of time, energy, and resources. I'm committed to making those cultural changes that need to happen. At the same time, I'm greatly concerned about some of the pieces that are happening in the Child Welfare Division. I think the call for a crisis management team is the appropriate solution at this point in time. I see their focus as multiple. Number one, making evaluations, recommendations, and implementing those recommendations immediately. I think it's critically important that we have an outside set of eyes, ears in the agency, and that Maryland has additional team members supporting her efforts. The second piece of the executive order creates the Child Welfare Oversight Board, small group of people. The goal is to advise me as we move forward. We will be meeting every other week, and the goal is to essentially make sure that the recommendations and the implementation of those recommendations are happening on the ground. The third piece for me is the having one of my team members embedded in the division to be my eyes and ears on the ground. I'm hoping with this level of oversight that we can continue to make progress and work towards ensuring that our children are safe in the Child Welfare Division. In terms of the areas that I see this work being focused on, number one, obviously, what's happening with over 80 kids in out-of-state placement. Number two, making sure that we are designing a system that develops the capacity to ensure that our children with special needs are getting their needs met in the system. My concern right now, frankly, is that while there was a group working to develop Senate Bill 1 and Senate Bill 221, I'm concerned that the legislature will not have the resources to fund these much needed investments. The third piece for me is operational communications, public records responses, making sure that the agency, the division, has the tools it needs to be responsive and transparent to the community, to the public. So.